21 years old. I'm from Auburn Hills, Michigan, and I want to be your Michigan First Young and Free spokesperson. I currently work on air at the new 107.5 WGPR. Working in the media industry, I'm constantly using my creativity to express the issues that concern us. Just last year, I organized and hosted a radiothon, raising over $1,000 towards Haitian relief, which would have been nearly impossible without social media. You can find me on Tumblr.com. There you'll find links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and my YouTube. So if you're sick of the frustration that comes along with most things, you'll be happy to know that I don't believe that your financial situation should dictate your habits. As your 2011 Young and Free spokesperson, I'll make sure that with Michigan First Credit Union, you're aware of the best ways to make the most of your money. After all, what are friends for? You want a fresh and creative voice to help you take charge of your financial future? Vote for me, Kirby G, to be your Michigan First Young and Free spokesperson.